Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, Creative Partner 247096, and in this video I'm going to show you the October 2021 Kiwi Club. It's called Tell Your Story, and I believe that this one is in the shop and is available to everyone. So I'm going to link you guys to my store, so if you'd like to purchase it, you can. In this kit there's 6 little templates. And the suggested templates to use with this are the large brackets, the fun border, which is one of my favorites, the tiny accents, tiny accessory, and the tiny tags, tiny accessory. This piece of paper here is to cover the QR code, because when I take pictures or show things on video, it takes me to the web page and it drives me nuts. Anyway, let's open this up and look. I heard that this is a really cute kit. It came when I was away, and it really bugs me when stuff comes when I'm away because I can't play with it. Here's the, I'm going to take that, protective corners that come with your kits, and I take those and I have a box of them. I save them. In the last video I did the paper first, so let's do the templates first in this one. Screw that up just a bit. Okay. I like to open everything in front of y'all so you can get my reaction. Like, you really. Because some of them are really, really cute, and some of them, like, I have to think, like, what am I going to use this for? Here's a wavy frame. Yes, we did have a frame in other kits. One was like a large bracket. One was Snapshot. That was in February of 2019, I believe. And it was bigger than this one. This one is 6.5 by 6 3/4. How can that be? Probably from where I'm measuring. Yeah, 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. This is number 6 of the template set. Number 5. I should have these in order. I'm sorry I don't, but you know, that would mean I'd have to open the package early. This is number 1 template. It's the date. Can you see that? It says date in there. You can stencil it, draw it, get some ink with a dauber and daub it on your page. Really cute. Here is number 3 of 6. It's a little pencil. Really cute. And here's number 5, the owl. Excuse my nails, I haven't had them done in a long time, and I'm working on Christmas crafts. Owl, that you can layer this and color, and really cute things you can do with that. And then we have a number 4, which is a little pocket. We do have another larger pocket. Actually, I believe we have 2. And this is really cute. You could have the owl sticking out of the pocket. That would be cute. Or on top. Or it could be an arrow, journaling block. And then we have a photo corner. This is a different photo corner because it's curved. Most of the other ones that I use personally in my pages are just straight edged, but this is really cute. I like that. See? I like something. And I'm sharing it with you. Let's go through the papers. Okay? This paper, it says, live your own story. There's books, there's trees, there's a cat. Yes. Okay, I like this already because there's a cat. Crazy cat lady. This is side A. This is side B. Oh, this is really pretty. Side A. Side B. These are brighter colors than usual, and I like that. Side A, side B. I like side B. Side A, which would look really good with the previous page together. Photo mounting. Side A. Side B. Side A. A great while ago when the world was full of wonder. That's what it says. It says, far beyond the seas, beyond the high mountains, this is your time. I like this paper. I may have to make a book or something out of this. Oh, side B, gray, one of my favorite colors. Side A, pencils. Side B. Side A, you could use this for journaling. There's 2 of these. You could use the lines for journaling. Cut it out with some other templates, like a springtime, which is what I use a lot for journaling. Pretty, pretty, pretty blue. Side A. Side B. Pretty green. Side A. These are the last 2 sheets you get 2 of. So there's actually 3 different papers that you get 2 of. Side B. And this, you could also journal on this one too. Very cool. Okay, I like that. This is Live Your Own Story. So let's look at the journaling cards. I like the paper. Let's see what the cards have to show us. It's really funny because tonight my husband's inside his office doing webinars and I'm in here doing videos. It doesn't usually happen like that. But it's sort of cute. Live, create, tell the story, repeat. Side B. Oh, I like this card. I was born to tell stories. Side A. Side B. It's like a library card. Very cute. Your life is your story. Write well, edit often. Side A. Side B. When I was on my trip to Mexico, I actually brought a notebook with me to write my story and say everything that we did. Library card. Side A. Side B. And there were pages of it. I think I probably forgot some things, but I'm going to go back and rewrite them. We are made of stories. Book lover. It has a definition of the book lover before, underneath it. Side B. Side A. Maybe it's not about the happy ending. Maybe it's about the story. I like that one too. Side B. And then there's 2 on here. Grateful you are part of my life story. Celebrate your life and the story you are creating. You can use the templates and trace around, and that way you can have a shape to your journaling. Side B. Story time is not for sitting quietly. It is for bringing stories to life in a whole new way. Side A. Side B. I like showing you both sides because you may like one side and not the other. The one thing that you have that nobody else has is you, your voice, your mind, your creativity, your story, your vision. So write, draw, build, create, play, and dance, and live only as you can. I like that. I'm going to have to use that. Side B. And then there's all these little cards that you can use. You can cut them apart. You can use different templates, like the pocket one. Good books goes underneath there. That would fit. The pencil. Let's get the pencil, the date. Well, the pencil won't do that, but you get the idea. Anyway, this is Live Your Own Story. This is the October kit. Live Your Own Story. Tell Your Story. This is the October 2021 Kiwi Lane kit. If you would like one for yourself, I'm going to link it in my video down below in the comments, well, above the comments in the description. And I'll also link my Facebook page and everything else. I hope you have a wonderful night, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you'd like to subscribe, I'd love to have you. Thanks for joining me, and have a great night.